Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people are in your party?
It's just me tonight, thank you for asking.
Would you like to start with something to drink?
Yes, I'd love some water with lemon, please.
Do you have any dietary preferences or restrictions we should be aware of?
No restrictions, but I do prefer vegetarian options.
Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think we're ready to order. I'll go with the grilled salmon, please.
Can I recommend the chef's special for tonight? It's been getting great reviews.
Sure, I'd love to try the special. Sounds great.
How would you like your steak cooked?
I like my steak medium rare, please.
Would you like any sides with that?
Yes, I'll take mashed potatoes and sautéed vegetables as sides.
Are you interested in any appetizers before the main course?
I'll pass on appetizers tonight, but thank you.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, I'd love to see the dessert menu, thank you.
How was your meal? Is everything to your liking?
Everything is wonderful, thank you. The steak was cooked perfectly.
Can I offer you anything else, perhaps some coffee or a digestive?
A coffee would be great, thank you.
Would you like your bill now or would you prefer to relax a bit more? I'll take the bill now, please. Thank you for everything. Thank you for dining with us tonight. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. I had a lovely time. Have a great evening.